and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and today I've gathered my doll crew for an overview for the beginning of 2019. Some of these dolls you haven't seen at all and some dolls have gone, but let's go through them from left to right, I guess, in no particular order. Here we have some works in progress. So you have seen my doll more Nara before. She is Vilja, the character, and I'm going through some changes with her to make her fit with someone else we're gonna meet later on. And then we have Mirror doll. I don't know what this head is, I got it for free with a body, but she is currently, I'm just gonna move her away for a moment. She's currently ongoing some changes. I'm going to be making her into a Naga. I don't know if she's staying with me, but I'm having a good time with the process either way. And our third one here is the newest member of the family. She is a spirit imprint. She's a dragon. That's the name of the sculpt. She's a dragon. And I haven't done much with her yet. I've just been playing with her mostly. She has a great possibility and is just gorgeous. I'm gonna be seeing what becomes of her with time. We have some SD in the background. So first one here is Fantasia doll Vivian. She is Rose. And then we have Akka. He is actually a hybrid of a Resin Soul long head modified on a Mirror doll body, and this is the body that the other head came on, so that's something. And then we have an Impel doll Tony. I've been going through a lot of changes with these, but I'm starting to be kind of pleased. This is Aina, my Zal Ramia. She is on a Resin Soul body on the 60 centimeter super skinny body. I don't know if I made like a box opening out of it, but here it is. It's Doll Chateau Cyril. And here is where some switching has been made. So Twisp is now a Dollstown Seola. And this is Vilja 2.0. She is... oh, wait. How is that not... oh, jeez. Okay, she is Azal Dreaming Love. Both of them are lacking face-ups, but I'm hoping to get into that in 2019. Thus here is Pepos Cheshire? I don't know how to say it. And then there's Shana, a Resin Soul Fae. Hujo Freya is this one. Mimi and Cece, her little sister, is a Hujo Nano Freya. And then there's a Doll Chateau Letitia here in the back. She's modified quite a bit also. Well, I'm trying to get her. And I might make a proper video on her someday. But as it is now, you can see that the hands have been swapped. The wings used to be her hands, and I made new hands for her. And that's about it. She's real neat. And last but not least, we have Alpin here, an elf doll Wu. I can't remember what body he's having, but I'm looking into getting him a new one anyway, so it doesn't matter. And here is here is my Atelier Cinnamon Havok. She has a posable self-made body. I might make a video on it sometime. And just some skeletal ball-jointed doll hands. But that was it for my entire crew. It's been growing quite a lot in the previous year, and it might continue to do so this year. Actually, I have one doll underway, and I'm looking forward to seeing it when it arrives, but that's going to take a while. But up until then, I'm looking forward to working on this bunch that I have right here. And oh boy, I have a lot of work to do. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!